Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 1995 Honda Goldwing Trike. This 95 Goldwing is the SC edition, so it's a two-tone. It's kind of hard to see, but it's purple and then a deeper purple, a darker purple if you will. Obviously it has the Trike kit on it. This is the motor Trike. Trike's in good shape. A little spider web right there. Nice big chrome wheels. Good tires on the bike. The seat's in excellent condition. I take that back. There's a little repair here at some point. Has a trickle charger on it already. Air ride equipped, nice pinstriping, AM FM radio, cruise control, CB radio. This is the SC, so it's going to have everything that was available. Sorry about that, there's a fire truck going by. Good front tire. Like I said, the rear tires are car tires. They're in great shape as well. The 20th anniversary, big tall windshield here. All in all, really, really nice bike. This bike also has the easy steer on it. It's got a 6-degree rake or so. Makes it really, really nice. You can see that Trike shop easy steer, which is a good one. Here's the other side of the machine. It's got the reverse, obviously, which is really nice. Big floorboards. That's the CB radio there. A little scuff down here. Looks like it's just on the surface. There's no scratch deeper than that. Might be able to fix that. And also another one right here, very similar to the other one. Again, I'm not sure. We don't do any paint correction here, so. Big trunk, a lot of storage in here. Again, the pinstriping must be new because it's in great shape. I'm gonna go ahead and start this bike up. Drown out some of the fire truck noise there. Radio works great. Bike has 67,225 for the mileage. 67,225, so pretty low for this bike. '95 Goldwing Trike. This has the motor Trike kit. $67,000 miles. Not a whole lot for this bike here. Runs excellent. Notice the display there has a little bit of sun fading on the one side. You can see that. It's still functional. You can. It's kind of hard to see it now, but it's still functional. You can still use it. That's pretty common on these. I've seen that a lot in the past, so we got nothing to really be concerned about other than it's a cosmetic issue, and we'll take that into consideration when putting a final price on this thing. Also, if we have one in stock, we may be able to replace that, but I'm not sure. There it is, 1995 Honda Goldwing Trike for sale. Ride Pro, Tampa, Florida. If you need help shipping this bike, we have discounted shipping rates all throughout the country. Our rates started around $300 and they go up from there. So it just depends on where you live. But give us a call, give us your zip code, we'll get you a shipping quote. Our number there is 813-615-1700. Our website is www.myridepro.com. As always, thanks for watching.